All right, good morning. We have a good day this morning. I think I turned the fan on. Hold on just a second. I think I'll get this fan. There we go. Because it's nice temperature wise. But we've had a lot of rain, so I want to move a little of that humidity away from me. All right. Well, I hope you have something to get your morning started. We have a pretty good morning. We took a walk. The dogs have ate their breakfast, and I'm ready to talk to you. So today I want to talk a little bit about thinking. Now, there's a lot of talk about with AI about how it comes up with stuff, but it's inaccurate. But if they could get it to think about its initial thoughts or initial projections, it could help a lot. I mean, this is significant. I mean, it came out a little while ago, so this is nothing new. I'm just talking about how it applies to something I'm doing right now. So this is significant. You know, one of the things I taught my children is to do extremes when thinking about a problem. In other words, if somebody's uh, gave them an issue like, well, how much should I fertilizer should I put on the yard? Now, no fertilizer would probably have no impact. But then you can also say if you just cover your yard in fertilizer, that would be even worse. So that only teaches you bounds, helps you identify what it is, the areas you should think about when you're doing a lot of these things. Boundary conditions help with a lot of stuff. So, specifically, my problem, I'm trying to get a visual idea of the impacts to our houses, not my our houses, my house, if I make some modifications to put a bathroom in for my wife downstairs that has a shower. We're thinking about redoing the house so that we have 2 stories, and we're hoping that we could put the bottom story at least have a bed and a bathroom for her. So with her PLS condition, if she can't get up the stairs, she can be able to go to bed, stuff like that. So talking with the AI, it was pretty good, and it missed one thing. Didn't mention that this could be medical text. So luckily, my mother-in-law, who's gone through this with her uh, husband, who passed away recently, was very aware of that. So she she's my she's not my AGI on this project. She's my super AGI on this project. She is. I am very fortunate to have her, and then she's going to help out with doing this design because she knows a lot more than I do. All right. So anyway, Um, I'm froze because I was hoping she'd drop the ball. There she goes. Oh, she caught it in midair. That was cool. Um, so is the AI was really good about a lot of the other stuff. Missed the taxes, and it was really good about creating a list of features that I might want to consider in the bathroom. Um, like the shower and make it adjustable, very adjustable, and water controls are not under the water source, things of that nature. So there's a lot of stuff that it came up with that was very good, very useful. But then I asked it to do kind of a layout. Now I had given it a diagram of the rooms that we're going to modify to get all this done. And it came back with some diagrams that didn't make any freaking sense at all. It was like, this doesn't match with anything I've given you. And then I said to it again, I said, do this again, but this time overlay it with the previous ones. And it came back again. It was really bad. Now we're in this mode of, how do I get it to think? Is it just not capable of doing this? Could be a possibility. Um, Maybe I'll try somebody else. Maybe I'll try Claude or somebody like that. See if I can get a little bit better analysis. Uh, so, anyways, my point is, just like kids, it takes a while for parents to develop the rapport and the methods of talking to children, the examples and develop that thought process. And a lot of times we have trials and errors. That's why if you're going to do anything after listening to this little ramble, because this is just silly, isn't it? I got crazy stuff going on. Is talk to your AI, because the more you talk to it, the more you will learn how to be like with your kids, or not just kids, but anybody that you're trying to train or teach or explain something to. It takes time to develop that ability to be sure you explain it well, but not overcomplicate, and everything, not everything, but over time, it'll be smarter. You'll be smarter. Work will be smarter. Okay, that's all I have for right now. Hope you guys have a good day. I'm going to take these puppy dogs inside, let them rest a little bit. Oh, a little stiff in the back this morning.